exciting day. We got more parts in, and I'm excited to see what's in the box. So, celebratory, we'll crack open a bud, because I'm excited. I've been looking forward to this all day when I saw the shipment came in. So let's see what we got. Just always hits just right. Let's see what we got. I know. Shouldn't pull the knife away towards you. I get it. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, I feel a little chub. I like it. Let's see what else we got here. Nice. Nice. Jim, thank you very much. We got a little chub. Let's go, buddy. I'm excited. This is getting real, and I'm pumped. And yeah, I'm elated. I am very, very excited. There's a part of me that wants to just take this thing out. But something tells me, like, just leave it in here until I'm ready to give it a go. Let's see what this says. It says Camaro, TPIS, Lil Chub. And this is it. This is the heart. This is what's going to get this thing going. And again, just to review the numbers, if I remember correctly, 220, 224 duration, 0.050 lift. That's based off of 1.5 rockers. We're going to go with 1.6 rockers, making it roughly 5.533 for the lift. So I am pumped. Cams in hand, we're getting more parts in. That thing's getting put together. Then that is gonna go in this car, and this thing's gonna rip. 2026 Hot Rod Power Tour, got the platinum package. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying not to swear because I am over the moon. These right here are the lifters. Let's see what they look like. They probably just look like the regular ones that I got already, but who knows. There they are. Nice roller rock, the lifters. Jim, I can't say thank you enough. Yeah, I'll call myself a little bit of a fanboy. I'm pumped. I'm glad to have a TPIS cam. Very proud of it. And I can't wait to see what this thing is going to sound like in this car. Again, it's a 1991 Chevy Camaro Z28 convertible. It's got the 305 that we're putting Trick Flow Super 23 heads on, and we're going with the first Performance TPI intake with the Lil Chub TPIS cam. This thing's gonna rip on the autocross track as well as on the street. Let's go. I'm getting more and more excited. Another sip of the beer. Love the t-shirt. That's fantastic. American-made parts for the American-made muscle. Let's go. Woo! Cheers. Till next time. Be safe.